Okay, so we're approaching the lot that we booked. We are 40 minutes early. Hopefully they will let us in.
All right, we just got in. Not exactly sure where to go, but
They let us in 40 minutes early.
we're gonna drive around and try to find a good spot.
Was just gonna say there are so many trailers. I mean, look at this. It is just insane.
These people got a generator outside, so
And there's slide outs.
got a little bit of camping going on.
Maybe we should park next to them. We found our people.
A few more RVs.
These RVs are so cute.
I know.
They got their Starlink set up. Some people are using the shade from the trees. Dude, this is nice.
All right, we made it. We found a good spot to park under the shade. Our Starlink's not going to work for now, but we found our little RV community with other little RVs around here. They're so cute.
I feel like this is almost like a little campsite. Like we have our own little grass patch. Like, I mean, we're set up so nice. And then all the way in the back, I mean, every single one is like another RV. It seriously feels like a tiny little campground. So far, camping in Chicago is actually working out pretty good. Yeah, guys, check out all the other RVs here that are all set up. Definitely very comfortable to be around these other guys. But we just walked around the city. We met up with some friends. We walked all the way to North Loop, which what I will say was a pretty far walk, but they have bikes all over. I even Ubered from the lot. It was a really great experience. All right, guys, so that is it. We just left the lot. So literally 0 issues with staying for 2 nights in the lot. It actually wasn't loud with trucks sleeping at all. We parked right underneath a tree, and if anything, the birds were the loudest thing. That kind of kept me up at 4 in the morning. I could have better planned for that, so I guess it's on us. I would just say some tips overall is that the lot can have some pretty big potholes, so just be cautious as you drive in the lot. And also with directions coming to the lot, we definitely had some low clearance in areas with the route that we specifically took. Like I think one of the bridges was what, 13 feet?
Yeah.
So like, yeah, 13-foot bridge, which I know a lot of big rigs would not make that underneath. So just be cautious and on your directions getting here. But if you're looking to stay in Chicago, definitely this lot is low-key a hack. For our 2 nights, it cost us, I believe it was $68 since we didn't do a true 48 hours. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope this was helpful. Any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and we'll keep you posted on the next adventure.